Imagine a man with an extraordinary gift, a man who dedicated his life to helping others heal. His name, Edgar Cayce. Born in 1877 in Kentucky, Edgar Cayce became a legendary figure in the field of holistic medicine. Cayce had an uncanny ability to diagnose illnesses and prescribe natural remedies. One remedy he often recommended? Castor oil. Castor oil was Cayce's secret weapon for promoting overall well-being and healing. He believed that castor oil had powerful anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Cayce introduced the concept of castor oil packs. These packs involve saturating a piece of flannel with castor oil and applying it to the abdomen. The castor oil pack, combined with gentle heat, was believed to stimulate circulation, relax muscles, and improve lymphatic flow. Cayce's patients reported incredible results. They experienced relief from digestive issues, menstrual cramps, and even struggles with arthritis and joint pain. Edgar Cayce's advocacy for castor oil and castor oil packs revolutionized natural healing. Today, his legacy lives on, inspiring countless individuals to explore the benefits of this remarkable remedy. So the next time you're seeking a holistic approach to well-being, remember the man who believed in the power of castor oil, Edgar Cayce, a true healer ahead of his time. Until next time, stay happy and stay healthy.